It was exceptional joy today at St. Andrew's Gayaza Archdeaconry as Christians witnessed the installation of their new Archdeacon, Venerable Captain Elly Wasswa, who replaces the Very Reverend Canon Dunstan Mazinga Chiwanuka after being taken to St. Paul's Cathedral Namirembe as the Dean. The installation service was led by the Right Reverend Moses Banja, who came along with the Bishop of Nakuru Diocese in the Anglican Church of Kenya, Right Reverend Anthony Mambo, who while speaking acknowledged the partnership between the two dioceses and appealed to the Christians to support the new Archdeacon.
Our prayer is, okusaba kwaffe, Christians, do your best. Abakristayo to be approved before God. Mukole n'amaanyi gammwe as we serve him okusiimibwa Katonda. As we serve him in different capacities. May God help you to have that commitment. Katonda tuyambe okubeera n'okumalirira okwo. Even today, ne leero as we install the Archdeacon, nga tugenda okutuuza Sabadikon, may you do your best to support him.
The new Archdeacon during his retreat was led by the former Dean, St. Paul's Cathedral, Namirembe, Reverend Canon Jonathan Chisauzi Salongo, who also gave a sermon today during the installation service. He encouraged the new Archdeacon to be firm and serve, for the Lord had reasons to choose him for such a position.
And many times when we are appointed, people will say that you are unworthy. They will always weigh you, judge you, and see that you are not the right person. But God is so different.
God does not always call the qualified. But he qualifies those he calls.
This Archdeaconry is huge. God knew that you can manage.
After the sermon, the installation process started off with remarks by the Diocesan Secretary, Reverend Canon Henry Segawa.
okulondebwa kwa Reverend Captain Elly Wasswa mwanje. Olukiiko lw'obulabirizi lwasemba ensonga eno atali kwesalamu era ne lusemba okulondebwa kwe.
Immediately, Venerable Captain Elly Wasswa was presented to the Bishop and the process was complete after the Bishop led the new Archdeacon to his seat.
Tukukkiriza okolanga emirimu gyonna egy'obwassaabadikoni mu busumba n'ekkanisa zonna eziri mu bussaabadikoni buno okutuusa lw'olijjululwa mu kifo kino. Okukakasa ebyo tutaddeko akabonero kaffe akannamirembe njikwasa nze Right Reverend Moses Banja omulabirizi w'e Namirembe mu linnya lya Kitaffe n'Omwana n'Omwoyo Omutukuvu. Amen.
During his charge, Venerable Elly Wasswa pointed out 8 key targets he will focus on while serving as the Archdeacon Gayaza Archdeaconry, which included revamping education, health, church institutions, empowering the youth, among others.
Okutandika amakanisa n'amasomero amapya, okutumbula ebyobulamu mu Bussaabadinkoni naddala abaana n'abakadde, okussa nnyo essira ku bavubuka n'abaana, okwongera amaanyi mu kibiina kya Boys and Girls Brigade ekirina ebyokulwanyisa okubunyisa enjiri, okuzimba projects omunaavanga ensimbi okutambuza emirimu gy'ekkanisa, okusimba emiti n'okugibunya mu bulabirizi bwaffe obw'e Namirembe.
We spoke to a number of attendees at the event, including the head of laity, Mr. Geoffrey Kulubya, the president, Mothers Union Namirembe Diocese, who all shared gratefulness for accomplishing this day but challenged Christians to work together with the new Archdeacon.
I hope the people of Gayaza Archdeaconry are going to work with him. We need to cooperate in order for us to expand God's church. If we work together as a team, as followers, as leaders, we shall be able to achieve the objectives of this Archdeaconry.
This phase requires us to mobilize some 200 million, after which we shall embark on the roofing of the church. I want to take this opportunity to invite all of you to contribute generously towards the completion of this church.
I request that we work together as a team. United we stand and divided we fall. Let's stand with Venerable Wasswa to go up the heights. I've seen there is a big work of constructing this big God's house. Let's hand in a hand so that our church can come on, be roofed. We are asking over there contributions for those people who love God. I remind you, on Tuesday, we are coming back in the same place, Gayaza Junior School, celebrate Mary's Day. Come one, come all.
Bishop Moses Banja, during a media interview, noted that the new Archdeacon has a big role at hand of constructing the incomplete church.
Omulimu guno gwatandikibwa abasajja n'abakazi ab'amaanyi ne balowooleza wala kukola ekintu ekinene n'asobola okuyamba abantu baffe abali mu kitundu kino n'amasomero gaffe okujjanga okusinza Katonda waabwe mu kkanisa eno. Era mu kkanisa muno mwennyini bwe tumutuuzizza omulimu guno guteekeddwa okuggwa, era enteekateeka yonna yakumalira myaka 3 era tulowooza nga ejja kuggwa kubanga yatandika omulimu omulungi mu bannaffe bano, mwesigwa era wakugutuukiriza.